Today we are going to see about transforming medical equipment planning. The success of healthcare design and construction project is greatly depends on a strong focus on the patient experience combined with the application of technological solution and strict control of budget and schedule. The critical role of the medical equipment planner as we look to create projects that keep pace with rapid advances in technology while remaining within the constraints of budget and schedule. Medical equipment planning should be seen as a core requirement, a nerve center of sorts critical of success of today's and tomorrow's healthcare facilities. The importance of collaboration and effective decision support as healthcare technology and clinical IT systems became much more tightly integrated and the timescales and cost became much more compressed. The medical equipment planner must be aware of and work with the requirement of clinics operation and facility managers, construction and MEP contractors. Transparency, standardization and strategic sourcing. Today strategic sourcing demands the best possible aggregation of planned purchase, maximum utilization of available contracts, optimal negotiation of payment terms and careful timing of delivery. Historically, planning medical equipment within the silo of construction and facilities management limited strategical sourcing opportunity, resulting in higher cost for the equipment and potentially different equipment standard in the each facility. What does it all mean? The planning of medical and non-medical equipment requirements cannot be done effectively within organization silos. First point, account case study. Accounts medical equipment planning service line was an important element of the integrated design term appointed by King Cladial Medical City, illustrating the progressive use of clinical consultants and health care technology planners from the onset of a project to enhance design facilities. King Cladial medical approach to medical equipment planning in Saudi Arabia. For project like the 2013 the King Cladial Medical City Mecca project in Daman, the medical technology design took place early in the concept design phase with the assistance of a medical equipment planning team at Econ. RTKL's approach to collaboration in Saudi Arabia for the project like King Facial Specialist Hospital, a leading multidisciplinary design firm with their head office in Jeddah to provide careful and strategic architectural design and medical equipment decisions early in the design. RTKL standardization equipment. The challenge wasn't easy with more than 30 combined academic specialized hospital and the health science research building described across campus locations. But across all three configurations, NGHA could significantly leverage the best commercial offering and incorporate centralized terms and conditions and training equipment, while some of the large specialty hospital buildings were on longer construction timelines than less compatibility clinical authentic identical equipment specified within multiple buildings could be negotiated with the supplier for suggested delivery based on the construction complication schedules.